Okay, dude, they're telling me to come right in. Oh, it's not gonna... Looks like it cleared the wing. We're good. The touchless car wash is actually awful. Dude, usually I go to the gym after getting off work, but I've just been so, like, under the weather recently. I'm, like, kind of sick. I've been kind of, like, I feel like shit. So I don't think that going to the gym is a good idea. I'm gonna go wash my car instead. So now that I've actually got this car back to being able to go places, what am I gonna do? What are my plans? Well, guys, what I'm gonna do first. The first thing I need to do is to kind of do like a safety check, just because every time I get on the throttle then let off, it makes this like nasty clunk sound. So I think I've got a motor mount issue, maybe. And then whenever I turn any of the electronics on high, I get like the motor running really rough. So I think that I might have an issue with the alternator, just because it might be, it might not be able to be producing the right amount of current. So I also need to do that. I need to get that fixed. But guys, as far as fun things to do, ideally what I really want to do with this car is convert it to E85. And this is really nice because I've got an E85 gas station like in the same parking lot as my apartment complex. So I wouldn't really need to worry about getting it unless I went somewhere far away. And then I'm gonna wide body it. Oh, I'm also getting like a weird fuel cut when I'm in heavy boost. I really don't know about this car. But today, guys, I need, look at the window. It's so gross. Everything about the car is disgusting inside. I don't know if I'm gonna necessarily be able to clean inside, but I want to clean outside very bad because it's just fucking disgusting. Oh, this is a 35. Oh no. I forgot. You can only really go fast in the corners. I haven't driven this road enough to know what like the cop pattern is. So I don't know if there's cops on this road. So I'm like, I try to be careful, but it's so windy. It's like so perfect. But it's also blind corners. Like this is scary, dude. If going like 10 over around something like this, that also just might not be smart. One thing that I love to do is heel towing every chance I get. Like, dude, it's so much fun. But you hear that, the clunk in the engine compartment. I don't know if that is maybe something falling apart or not. I think it should be fine. Okay. Yeah, dude. Gonna finally, oh no! Quarters. Shit. Do they have like a... They don't have a thing, dude. Oh no. Do you have any quarters? I got nothing. Guys, this is insane. I literally cannot wash my car for the life of me. I don't even have cash on me, bro. Do I have cash? I've got $2. That would not even be close to buying me enough time. I've got a plan. I have to have a coin machine here somewhere, right? There has to be a coin machine here somewhere, right? I can't just be tripping. There's no coin machine? Oh. Yeah, that's just towels. Damn. Well, I'm gonna run home, grab some cash. Dude, there's just not enough time in the day because I gotta go. I gotta go home. I gotta have dinner. I'm so hungry. Do not have time to wait for this line of people. I just do not have time. I don't understand why nobody just goes to the front of the line. doesn't make any sense. Like literally there's one guy here. This is all you gotta do. Like, dude, I probably wouldn't have made it through that light if I would have waited for all those people. What is this, Donut USA? Guys, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, it's too bumpy though. Oh my gosh, I can't do it, Donut, dude. I can't do it. I can't. Oh, I'm gonna break my shit. I'm gonna break my shit for sure. I'm gonna snap an axle or something, bro. And I'm gonna be stuck back here. No. We just gotta get pictures. That's what we need. That's all we need. My wife just texted me and said, my mom is sending me with Sam's Club's enchiladas for dinner. Let's fucking go. Dude, this is excellent news. Okay. Let me see. Let me see here. I look like an idiot. Look at me. Look at me, guys. Look at me with my mic hanging down. But it's all for the quality content. Okay, this might just not be a good angle. I kind of want to go into the sun a little bit. Also, it's just not that good. What are we gonna get, like the houses? Also, why does it look like shit? Why does my car look just awful? It's so dirty, and this is just all rusty in here. Okay, we might be oofed. Guys, look at, oh no. Bro, it's so dirty. I want to clean it so bad. I just literally, like, I keep getting stiffed. I also really want to do donuts back here. But I'm going to 100% break my car if I do. And I would, dude, honestly, like, just out of, like, pure necessity, I would just go through, like, one of the regular car washes. Oh, that's what I can do. I can go through the touchless one. Dude, let's fucking go. Wow. All right. Yeah. Guys, we got it on lock. We've got the plan. We got the plan in the bag. But guys, there's a touchless car wash that doesn't touch your car, and you can just go through it and it'll rinse you off. So that's where we're going. This hill is crazy steep. See, dude, what I was worried about was the like hand car wash, not the hand one, the one where you like drive through and it like pushes you through and it like does like all the little spinny things on your car, and I'm just worried that it's gonna tear my wing off. But if you go through the touchless wash, it, you know, I think that it's implied that it's not gonna touch my shit. I don't know how much it costs. I don't know how much. I don't know anything about it.
Wash by touching the corresponding button on the screen, or touch the enter code button.
I wonder how like good of a business this is to get into, because you just don't have to be here ever. It's all completely automated. And oh, it looks like it's just not washing from one of them though. Bro, what the fuck? Oh, come on, dude. We're just missing out on the whole right side of the car getting clean. Oh, it just does one at a time? Okay, word. Okay, guys, the bag is secured. Okay, dude, they're telling me to come right in. Oh, yeah. Okay. I don't know how, okay. It said to stop. Oh. It's not gonna... Looks like it cleared the wing. We're good. I don't think that it's gonna clean it very well. My car is so dirty. It has, like, you really need to, like, there needs to be some sort of abrasion. I don't think we're getting it clean today, guys. I'm like, right now I can see like the back window, there's still schmutz all over it. But like the water is disgusting that's coming off this car. So I think it might be doing something. It might be doing something. The touchless car wash is actually awful. It looks atrocious. I don't know if you can see, but like there's just streaks everywhere. And it's covered in dirt still, so no good. I'm gonna have to figure something out, dude. This car needs to get clean. Yeah, dude, if your car has been sitting for a year It is not good to go through the touchless. Like, it's still just caked. But I bet it would be better if there was more care taken of this car. So that's what I should do. But I haven't the time today, so I'll see you later.